We all love using social media, but social media analytics doesn't amuse us. That's why, because we don't know that how analytics data can help you grow the business and can scale up your business marketing strategies. This is Pooja here. I'm a co-founder of Spread. It's an influencer marketing tool for brands, influencers, creators to collaborate with each other and work seamlessly. You can check out the more details on spread.io, our website. If you want to directly jump onto a particular topic, check the timestamp. Let's jump back to the analytics. Social media is a crowded place. You see content all the time in different form of ads, personal content, influencers data, and a lot more. If you are a digital marketer, or if you have your own page for a business, or as an influencer, there is one very crucial and important thing that you cannot miss out, which is insights or social media analytics as a term. Analytics is the soul of digital marketing campaigns. It helps you to track the performance. It will help you what works and what doesn't work for your audience, your profile. It will help you to measure the progress down the line. Also will give you the idea for your audience, which is the best thing that you can know. Let's take an example. Let's say if you want to know the content performance for the Facebook, go to the Facebook profile or a page, go to the insights and check the data. See that how your performance was for the past 3 months, what was the working best for you, what doesn't work, compare the results, see that how you can change the strategies, figure out why particular content didn't work and what can you change. These things are important and crucial. Let's jot down and figure out how you can use analytics for your social media growth. The very first thing I'll be talking about is audience. Are you the same person who mostly says that I know my audience and I'm aware about what kind of an audience I'm having and what do they want? If you're just telling by the recent experience and by seeing the normal numbers that social media insights share, you should give it a thought again. Check out the detailed analytics with any social media or influencer marketing platform where you have great audience data, not just that what is the age or a gender, but what locality they belong, what is the demographics, what interests to your audience, what are their personal preferences. Figure out that what content works for your audience. If something doesn't work, what was that? There are a lot of things that you can figure out from your audience, so do not miss that out because it can change the game. Another great thing is plan your campaign. Create a content, check the analytics, see the positive and negative impact your content is making, and change the next time if something is not working out. If you're talking about specific to analytics in planning, it mostly vary and depends on your influencer marketing goals. When I say influencer marketing goal, it means, for example, if you're a new brand and looking forward to spread the brand awareness, your KPIs, key performance indicator, should be your views, impressions, how many people you are reaching. These are the KPIs or analytics that you should focus on. If you are interested and if your goal is to in the recommendations, how people are recommending, using and giving the feedback, then check out the mentions, how many people are talking about your brand, how many different spaces you have mentioned on the social media. This is the way where you can figure out certain things and plan your next campaign. The third and most amazing and entertaining section is stay in trend. I would say create a trend for others to follow, but it's not possible all the time, right? Staying in trend is amazing thing to reach out to the audience and spread the word. Follow the trend, implement in your page and see that your audience is enjoying or not, if it is working for you or not. Creating the trend on your own way, it will help you to reach out to the maximum people that you can imagine, and it will give you another level of result. Fourth point is social media monitoring and management. This mainly focuses on what your audience think about you as a brand, what impression they have for your brand. Along with checking the likes and comments, step up your game and be serious about the real data. Check the hashtags and what is ranking for your niche. Check out the competitors, see what they are doing, what are the issues that the audience is facing, and figure out, manage your content that way. Spread can help you here to see the performance, analyze the content, and study the data. Sign up and check the spread right now. Fifth point is an improve ROI. Do not fall for the likes for the post. There are vanity metrics which doesn't directly impact the sales. If your goal is to improve the ROI, make sure that you are focusing on the right KPIs. How many people are talking about your product? How many inquiries you have in your DM? How many signups you've got on the website or your giveaways participation, or how many people have shared your product to someone else. These factors will help you to see and measure the progress towards your sales. Spread will help you to know how your campaign performance is going and how many actions has been taken from particular influencers or a brand on particular campaign. Isn't it amazing? It's a digital era, as you know. Being a brand in the digital presence, you have to make sure that you listen to your audience, answer to your queries, keep monitoring your online game. Do you know that 82% of the people expects brands or online platforms to respond their queries and answers right away? Make sure that you are taking stand there and monitoring your audience, listening to them and responding. This was all about in today's video. Importance of analytics. Make sure that you follow these reasons and KPIs to keep up your game on the business side. If you have any queries for online content marketing, influencer marketing platform, want to know much more depth about analytics, reach out to us. We would be happy to answer you. Till then, take care.